In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Binance trading interface and layout in the mobile app. Whether you're new to Binance and feeling overwhelmed by the layout, or you simply want to customize your trading view to match your style and make things more intuitive, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Binance mobile app and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home screen, look toward the top left corner and tap on the three horizontal lines. Make sure to follow along carefully here so you don't miss anything important. This will open the main menu where Binance keeps several useful options for customizing your experience. Next, scroll all the way down in this menu and tap on the option called Binance Lite. As soon as you select it, you'll notice the interface switches to a much simpler and cleaner layout. This version is great if you prefer fewer distractions, or if you're just getting started and want an easier way to navigate the app. Follow the on-screen changes as they appear. Everything updates automatically, so there's nothing complicated to worry about. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version, you're logged into the correct account, and you take a moment to explore the new layout before switching again. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent confusion. Once you've completed these steps, you can also switch back to the advanced view anytime you want. Just tap the Binance icon again in the top left corner and select Binance Pro. After that, you should be able to access the full featured trading interface without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to try both views for a few minutes. Taking this extra step helps you decide which layout works best for your trading style. Now, if you want to adjust the trading layout inside Spot or Futures, open either section and look at the top right corner. Tap on the three dots or settings icon, then choose Preferences and go into Layout Settings. Here you can change chart styles, order book views, and other display options to match your preferences. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to customize your Binance trading interface and layout easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?